Hi everyone, in this video I am going to share about shareholding pattern and how it is used to check the fundamental analysis of a stock by using shareholding pattern. Welcome to MoneyGuide. Again it's a disclaimer, this video is only for educational purpose. A shareholding pattern is a company's official disclosure of how its equity is distributed among different shareholders. It provides a snapshot of who owns how much of company stock. A company's shareholding pattern can help you understand its capital structure and financial health and may help you to predict the stock prices. Here are some things we have to learn from the shareholding pattern. Shareholding percentage, the percentage of shares held by each category of shareholder. For example, it is a shareholding pattern of Tube Investment Company. Promoter shareholding is 44.97%, FII is 28.38%, DIIS is 14.72%, government is 0.45%, and public is 11.48%. These are known as the shareholding percentages. Shareholders who owns the company's stock, including individual investors, institutional investors, and the company promoters. Here individual investors are public, institutional investors are FIIs and DIIs, and company's promoters are promoters of the company. Shareholding categories. How the company's capital is divided into different categories such as promoter group shareholding, individual shareholding, institutional shareholding, and government holding. Here government is additionally added. If it is a company is in a conglomerate company, then government stake will be available. Companies are required to publish a shareholding pattern report every 3 months. Promoter shareholding should be less than 65%. If companies with promoter holding more than 65% will have to reduce its stake as per the union budget. So, the stock will face some selling pressure in the market. A general thumb rule is that a more than 50 promoters holding is considered as positive sign. It indicates a stronger promoter confidence and control over the company. Another thing we have to keep in mind about the shareholding patterns are, if we want to buy a particular stock, it should be stable or increasing. Institutional shareholding pattern or public shareholding should be less when compared to the promoter's shareholding. If it is a conglomerate company, government shareholding is available. For other companies, there is no government shareholding. Do you feel the information provided in this video is helpful? Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep learning, keep earning. Thank you.